Hey everyone, I'm Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a half triangle quilt block. This is one of the more simpler quilt blocks that I've made and I want to show you how to do it. So in order to do these, you're going to need 2 pieces of coordinating fabric, and I've got 2 squares that are 9 inches each. You're going to need a ruler, your cutting mat, pins, your rotary cutter, a pencil, your sewing machine, and an iron. First of all, we want to take our pieces and put them right sides together and just line up your edges. After you get the edges lined up pretty good, we're going to take a pin and we're going to pin it. Then we're going to take our ruler and we're going to measure from one corner to the other. And we're going to take our pencil and we're going to make a line. Now you can use something if you want to that is like disappearing or whatever, but we're not going to do that because this is going to be cut right along this line anyway when we're finished. So now we're going to take this to our sewing machine. Now we're going to line up the left side of our presser foot along this line here. We're going to put that right down, as you can see, right against the edge of our presser foot, and we're going to sew all the way to the other corner. When we get to the other corner, we're going to flip it around and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to line up our presser foot with our pencil line and sew down the other side. You can see where we've sewed down both sides of the pencil line, and we're just going to take our ruler and we're going to line it up with our pencil line, and we're going to take our rotary cutter and cut from one end to the other. We can put our pin back over there, but when you do that, you open it up and you've got 2 half triangle quilt blocks. Now we're going to take these to our ironing board and we're going to press them on the back and on the front. As I press the back, I'm going to press this toward my patterned fabric, or if you want to press it toward the darker fabric, that's fine too. And then just flip it over and press the front. Now you should have 2 little pointy edges, and just trim both of your blocks. And these are your finished blocks. If you've liked my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon.